Good morning. It's still October, it's almost Halloween, so we're going to do some not so scary crafts today. We're going to make some bats. And if you picked up your packet, your activity packet, you found this in there. This is the pattern for your bat. So you're going to need your toilet paper roll. And I made a brown body out of construction paper. And we're going to tape this onto here so it won't slide. And wrap the construction paper around the toilet paper roll. And tape it again. Okay, then I colored his head. And we're going to glue that to the front. If you put some glue on his chin, that's all you need. I'm going to glue him to the front of the toilet paper roll, just like that. So now you have a bat face. Now I colored his wings, and we're going to, I like to tape these to the back. You can make them stand up, you can make them go out to the side, whatever way you want your bat to look. Okay, there's your bat. Now, I got to thinking when I was doing this that bats don't always need to be dark colors. So I made one in candy corn colors. And I made another one in pink. So you can make your bats any color, any design that you want. It's completely up to you, but they don't all have to be in dark colors. So I'm going to move these little guys to the side. And I have another bat that I think is really, really cute. He's more your traditional color. His wing pattern and face pattern is also in your activity packet. You need another toilet paper roll. That's why I told you last week to start saving them, because I knew we were going to be doing this week. And you're going to cover this. And I'm using black today. And I folded a piece of black construction paper and traced the wings on one side. After you cut it out, do not cut the fold. And that way, you just have one wing section to cut out instead of two. Okay, open it up, and you have bat wings. Kind of looks like Batman. And you can either glue or tape these to the back of your roll. Okay, now to make his ears, you're going to bend the back down to the middle, and you're going to bend the front. And kind of pinch it a little bit. And there's his ears. Now, I have, oh dear, I had two eyes here. Here it is. And you're going to glue his eyes to the front of your roll. Yeah, you're going to have to kind of push these down a little bit. And there's his eyes. Now I have to have a happy bat. So I'm taking a white crayon and drawing a smile. And then we've got some little teeth. And there's your bat. He came out a little crooked, but that's okay. There's your bat. Now, I've got something else for you that I think is really, really cute. This time you need a paper towel roll. And you're gonna smash it and make it flat. And we have a pattern for you. This is also in your activity packet if you picked one up. If you didn't pick it up, we still have some left. You're going to cut out the little figures, these right here, and place them on the fold of the paper towel roll and trace it. Okay. I don't know if you can see that on here. That's okay if you can't, because I'm going to cut him out. This is going to be your black cat. You might need some help cutting this out. Scissors are going to have to be kind of sharp. Okay, then you're going to open him up and bend the head down so you can make a face. And there's your cat. Now I painted mine in black, and I have some markers that I'm going to draw his face on with. And seeing that this is black paint, these markers are not showing up very well. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. Can't see it. You will probably need to paint the face on. See if I can make a nose out of this one. Oh, this works better. Work much better. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see the face on the cat. You might need paint. Now we also have, besides a cat, we have something else to trace. And your paper towel. His mouth. We have a creature without a mouth. I'm kind of making a mess this morning, and you will too, but that's okay, as long as you're having fun. It's easy to clean up. Okay. And you open him up and you have a ghost that stands up. I painted my ghost white, and then I have just a black marker that I'm going to color his eyes with. So there's your ghost. And there's your cat. And we have our bats, all different colors. Let's set all this out that we made this morning. Okay. I hope you'll try these. Like I said before, if you need the patterns, you can come pick up an activity packet for October. We have this in there. We have the spider from last week, plus we have a lot of other things that you can enjoy, color sheets, word puzzles. So I hope you'll come by and give this a try. And I hope we'll see you next week for the last of our Halloween decorations. Have a good day. Bye.